Solana meme coin Ponke just breaks all-time highs. What's going on with this Solana meme coin? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at a meme coin called Ponke. We're gonna take a look at this meme coin and see what the heck is going on and if it's worth buying into. However, before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your 2024 crypto goals. Also, guys, remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this project. So we can see from DJ News earlier today, so new Solana meme coin Ponke on Sol hits a new all-time high, the market cap of $211 million. What's going on here? Let's go ahead and take a deep dive. Before we start, guys, looking at the overall crypto market, we're having a bit of a reddish day, minus 1%, not too shabby. In terms of the fear and greed index, we are entering greed, or we're in the early stages of greed. We've been dancing around with greed and neutral the past couple of days, and hopefully we'll enter in the middle of greed and maybe even enter extreme greed as people are starting to invest in crypto again. Bitcoin is $66,000, finding a strong placement there. Hopefully we're signaling to a $72,000 Bitcoin in the upcoming weeks, which would be awesome. ETH at $3,000, which is great. But let's go ahead and take a deep dive on this token. And in terms of meme coins, guys, again, it's not that far off on the list. It's still a top trending meme coin. In terms of coin market cap, it is ranked at 309 on the month, or on the week we're up a whopping 150%. On the day we're down, on the hour we're down about 1%, but on the day we are up 2.5%. What's going on with this token? Market cap currently sitting at $167 million. We can see just earlier today it was peaking at 177 million based on coin market cap, but based off the tweet we saw earlier, it was peaking at 211 million. So again, I don't know which one's more up to date, but for the video's sake, we're gonna stick with what we see on coin market cap. But people are very excited. Even the community tab, you can see excited to trade, book of meme, Ponke, and when with 100x leverage, which is pretty cool. How Ponke is even being mentioned in the same line as book of meme, which is absolutely phenomenal. But let's take a deep dive. What even is this project? So Ponke, powered by Solana. Ponke is a degenerate gambler with anger issues on the Solana network. You can buy now, the network, and different places available to buy. So actually on ATH, which is pretty big, Gate.io, OKX, MEXC, and we can only imagine Crypto.com would come very next. More exchange listings on the way. Put on your helmet. Join the Ponke army by putting the helmet using our tool. So it looks like they have a helmet tool. So put on your helmet. Oh, and you add your own image here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nifty. That's pretty cool. And you can have a profile picture with your Ponke helmet on. Now, guys, am I pronouncing this wrong? Is it Ponke? Ponke? Or we're just gonna call it Ponke for the continuation of this video. So tokenomics, Ponke is made up of 555 million tokens, but he's a greedy son of a bee and wants to keep them all to himself. Ponke at work, the total supply, the contract address. You can buy, again, links to buy. Ponke trading POV, we can see this going crazy, typing on his keyboards. Looks like some downwards trends. Hopefully we're gonna see some rising. And then their socials, a very clean website, very like crypto style website. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at their social metrics. We see they're all on Twitter with 70,000 followers, not too bad. We can see 25 minutes ago they posted how they hit their new all-time high, which is pretty great. I'd imagine to see a pullback. So if you don't own any of this token, I probably wouldn't buy this second. Probably wait for it to pull back a little bit. Just half an hour ago, new all-time highs, job not finished, higher they want to go. I'm too bullish. They said Ponke was finished and dead. Okay, while it's hitting all-time highs. Again, very, very interesting. Not only is it hit all-time highs and has a great following, great website, but also in terms of like market research and in terms of the technical analysis, also gonna say on neutral. However, moving averages are indicating strong buy, as people are very, very bullish for this project. Currently trading around 38 cents, not too shabby, with up 500% over the past 6 months. This token could really take off to the moon. Again, I'm pretty bullish on this project. I want to take a second to highlight it and cover this meme coin that's on the rise, that's trending, and let me know what you guys think about Ponke in the comment section below. First of all, is it Ponke or Ponke? Someone really literally type it on the comment section below, as I'm having trouble and I want to know how to say it correctly. Like always though, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.